The biggest lifestyle upgrades rarely come from working harder. They come from using smarter technology that quietly makes everyday life easier, faster, and more enjoyable. What you're about to see isn't just a collection of gadgets. These are smart innovations designed to solve real problems, save time, reduce effort, and bring a touch of the future into your daily routine. From surprisingly clever devices to breakthrough technology you never knew you needed, every gadget in this video has the potential to upgrade the way you live in ways that feel instantly noticeable. All gadgets are listed in the description below. Number 1. The smartest lifestyle upgrade isn't a faster phone or a bigger screen. It's waking up every morning feeling genuinely rested, energized, and ready for the day ahead. Introducing the Stareep S3 Pro Mattress, a dual AI flagship sleep system designed to transform the way your body recovers while you sleep. Because for millions of people, the real problem isn't getting enough sleep, it's getting quality sleep. Hours pass, but the body never feels fully restored. The S3 Pro is built to change that. Its intelligent AI-driven technology creates a more personalized sleep experience, adapting to your needs throughout the night to support deeper comfort and better recovery. What makes it feel so futuristic is that the mattress isn't simply something you sleep on, it becomes an active part of your wellness routine, quietly working while you rest. And honestly, the idea of AI helping improve your sleep every single night feels like one of those smart innovations that can instantly upgrade your lifestyle without changing anything else. Better sleep, better mood, better performance. That's what makes the Stareep S3 Pro such a remarkable glimpse into the future of everyday living. Number 2. The smartest lifestyle upgrades are the ones you barely notice until you realize how much better you feel every single day. Meet the Dyson Find+Follow Purifier Cool, an intelligent purifying fan designed to bring cleaner air and personalized comfort wherever you are in the room. Because air quality is something most people ignore right up until it affects their comfort, focus, or overall well-being. This next-generation purifier changes that beautifully. It intelligently responds to your presence, delivering purified airflow where it matters most, creating a living space that feels fresher, cooler, and more comfortable throughout the day. And honestly, the idea of a purifier that actively follows you with clean air feels less like a household appliance and more like a glimpse into the future of smart living. Cleaner air, greater comfort, a lifestyle upgrade you can actually feel. Number 3. The best lifestyle upgrades don't just improve what you watch, they completely transform how you experience entertainment. Introducing the Samsung Premiere 5, a smart innovation that feels like much more than a projector, bringing a bigger, more immersive world into your living space. Because traditional screens often limit the scale and excitement of movies, games, and shared moments with family and friends. The Premiere 5 changes that beautifully. It turns ordinary walls into extraordinary experiences, creating a cinematic atmosphere that feels premium, effortless, and remarkably futuristic. What makes it so impressive is how naturally it blends into everyday life, while delivering an experience that feels far larger than its size suggests. And honestly, the first time your room transforms into a personal theater, you realize this isn't just a projector, it's a lifestyle upgrade designed for the future.
Number 4. The smartest lifestyle upgrade may not be a gadget you hold, but a machine that can actually help carry the weight of everyday life. Meet the Figure 03, a third-generation humanoid robot designed to bring intelligent assistance into the real world in ways that once belonged only to science fiction, because modern life is filled with repetitive tasks, endless responsibilities, and never enough time to do everything that matters. Figure 03 represents a bold step toward changing that reality. Built to interact with the world around it, this next-generation robot is designed to assist, adapt, and support human productivity in a more natural and capable way. What makes it so fascinating is not just its technology, it's the feeling that you're witnessing the beginning of a completely new era, where intelligent robots become part of everyday life. And honestly, the moment a humanoid robot starts working alongside people, the future stops feeling distant and starts feeling incredibly real. A smarter lifestyle, more time, less effort. That's the promise of Figure 03. Number 5. The smartest lifestyle upgrades aren't always the biggest ones. Sometimes they're the tools you carry every single day and never want to be without. Introducing the Wuben G5 Titanium plate, a unique EDC flashlight that combines premium design with everyday practicality in a way that feels surprisingly futuristic. Because life is filled with unexpected moments, a dark path, a late-night task, or a situation where having reliable light instantly makes everything easier. The G5 is built for those moments. Compact enough to go anywhere, yet designed to be ready whenever you need it, it transforms a simple everyday carry item into something that feels premium, dependable, and genuinely useful. What makes it stand out is the attention to detail. The sleek titanium construction gives it the feel of a high-end gadget rather than an ordinary flashlight. And honestly, the best smart gadgets are the ones that quietly earn a permanent place in your pocket. The Wuben G5 is exactly that kind of upgrade. Number 6. The most powerful lifestyle upgrades are the ones that turn big ideas into reality, no matter where inspiration strikes. Meet CardputerZero, a pocket-sized Raspberry Pi computer for makers, creators, and curious minds who never stop building the future. Because great ideas don't wait for you to get back to your desk. They happen on the move, in the middle of conversations, or at the exact moment inspiration hits. CardputerZero puts creativity right in your pocket, small enough to travel anywhere, yet powerful enough to help you code, experiment, prototype, and explore new possibilities whenever imagination takes over. What makes it so exciting is the freedom it creates. Instead of carrying limitations, you're carrying opportunities, a tiny device that opens the door to endless projects and innovations. And honestly, there's something incredibly satisfying about holding a real computer in the palm of your hand and realizing your next big idea can start anywhere. That's the kind of smart gadget that instantly upgrades the way you create.
Number 7. The smartest lifestyle upgrades are the ones that help you feel more confident in your own body without turning your entire life upside down. Introducing Fat Iron Core, an advanced wellness device designed to support body contouring, skin tightening, and faster recovery in a way that feels remarkably modern. Because many people work hard to stay active, eat better, and improve their health, yet visible progress can often feel frustratingly slow. Fat Iron Core is built to complement that journey. With quick, convenient sessions, it helps make self-care feel easier to fit into a busy lifestyle, turning recovery and wellness into something you can prioritize without sacrificing your day. What makes it so appealing is the feeling of taking control, investing a few focused minutes in yourself and knowing your body is getting the attention it deserves. And honestly, when technology helps make wellness more accessible, efficient, and convenient, it stops feeling like a luxury and starts feeling like a smart lifestyle upgrade. Less hassle, more confidence, a modern approach to feeling your best. Number 8. The best lifestyle moments happen when you're fully present, not when you're struggling to capture them. Meet HOVERAir AQUA, the world's first self-flying camera built for the water, designed to follow your adventures from a completely new perspective. Because unforgettable moments on the water often disappear before you have time to record them. The action is fast, the environment is unpredictable, and traditional cameras can get in the way. Aqua changes everything. It intelligently captures your journey while you focus on living it, turning every swim, ride, and adventure into cinematic memories that feel larger than life. What makes it so exciting is the freedom. No distractions, no missed moments, just you and the experience. And honestly, watching a flying camera track you effortlessly over the water feels like the kind of smart technology that instantly upgrades every adventure. Number 9. The smartest lifestyle upgrades don't disconnect you from the world. They help you stay connected to both your audio and your surroundings at the same time. Introducing OpenFit Pro, premium open-ear audio designed to deliver immersive sound while keeping you aware of everything happening around you. Because traditional earbuds often force a choice between enjoying your music and staying aware of your environment. OpenFit Pro changes that experience beautifully. Whether you're working, walking, exercising, or taking calls, it creates a more natural way to listen, blending comfort, awareness, and crystal clear audio into everyday life. What makes it feel so modern is the freedom. No feeling cut off, no missing important moments around you, just effortless listening that fits seamlessly into your day. And honestly, once audio feels this natural, it's hard to go back. That's the kind of smart gadget that instantly upgrades your lifestyle. Number 10. The smartest lifestyle upgrades are the ones that turn creativity into reality with almost no limits at all. Meet the xTool M2, an all-in-one machine that can print, cut, and engrave, giving creators, makers, and entrepreneurs the power to bring ideas to life from a single workspace. Because creating something unique often means juggling multiple tools, complicated setups, and endless time-consuming steps. The xTool M2 changes that beautifully. From personalized gifts to custom designs and creative projects, it streamlines the entire process, making creation feel faster, easier, and far more exciting. What makes it so impressive is the freedom it unlocks. An idea that exists only in your imagination can become something real, tangible, and uniquely yours. And honestly, watching a single machine transform raw materials into finished creations feels like the future of creativity arriving right on your desk. That's the kind of smart gadget that instantly upgrades the way you create and live. Thanks for watching TechQubix. Subscribe for more future tech.